In today's video, the IRS has resumed normal activities following the shutdown, and they are reporting some important tips that you need to know. Let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Now, the IRS has resumed normal operations following the government shutdown, including reopening the agency's taxpayer assistance centers. Taxpayers who opted to receive email or text notifications concerning their appointment will be notified that they have the opportunity to use the Smart Scheduler feature on irs.gov to schedule taxpayer assistance center appointments that were canceled if they meet certain criteria. Otherwise, taxpayers may call to reschedule appointments that were canceled due to the temporary office closures. And the IRS is also reporting it is not too early to get ready for the 2026 tax filing season. The Internal Revenue Service is encouraging taxpayers to take steps now to prepare for the upcoming filing season by visiting irs.gov/getready for tips on what is new and what to consider before filing your 2025 tax returns. It is important for taxpayers to get ready now because the One Big Beautiful Bill can significantly affect federal taxes, credits, and deductions. Now, the IRS suggests gather and organize your tax records now because having organized tax records help taxpayers file complete and accurate tax returns and avoid errors that could delay your 2026 tax refunds. Start by collecting bank account information, Forms W-2 from your employers, Forms 1099 from banks and other payers, as well as records of digital asset transactions. And the IRS is encouraging all taxpayers to wait to file their tax return until they have all of their tax records. To speed up your tax refunds, make sure you select direct deposit. Direct deposit is the fastest way to receive your tax refund. Additionally, in accordance with Executive Order 14247, the IRS has began phasing out paper tax refund checks as of September 30th, 2025, which means most taxpayers must provide a routing number as well as account number to get your 2026 tax refunds. And if you don't have a current bank account, you may be able to use prepaid debit cards, digital wallets, or mobile apps who support direct deposit. To use these options, taxpayers must have routing and account numbers associated with their personal accounts. Check with the mobile app provider or financial institution to confirm those numbers to make sure they are accurate. Now let's go over your delayed 2025 tax refunds. Yes, there are people still waiting on their 2025 tax refunds. The IRS is currently processing Tax Form 1040 paper tax returns, original received October of 2025 and amended received August of 2025. Business tax returns, Form 1120 tax returns, original received September of 2025 and amended received March of 2025. For Tax Form 1041, they're currently working on those received original September of 2025 and amended received March of 2025. And in terms of letters and notices, they are currently processing any correspondence that they received July of 2025. That is for individual correspondence, and for business correspondence, those received April of 2025. So there is a delay in updating your additional information. And for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared for your delayed 2025 tax refunds 846 refund issued for December 15, 2025. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript as well as the WMR on irs.gov for your next direct deposit date for your 2025 tax refunds. Now, in terms of audits, taxpayers and tax professionals with questions about examinations affected by the shutdown, the IRS states that please see the exam resumption FAQs on their website. In terms of collections, taxpayers and tax professionals with the collection issue affected by the shutdown, please see collections resumption FAQs on the website as well. In terms of appeals, taxpayers and tax professionals with cases, the IRS is encouraging you to visit the appeals resumption FAQs on their website as well. Now, for the Taxpayer Advocate Service, all tax offices are now open due to the prolonged government shutdown. TAS will need some time to sort through cases, calls, and faxes so that they can address the most critical emergencies first. And the Taxpayer Advocate Office is stating that please be aware that if you call their offices, your call may go to voicemail, and they are encouraging you to leave your name, phone number, case number, and detailed information about your case, and they will get back to you as soon as possible in regards to your case. And you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.